Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hashrate, KR1, Marathon, Patent Group, Riot Blockchain, DMG Blockchain, and Digihost. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. So yeah, Bitcoin is close to the 58,000. So yeah, maybe we're going to a new all-time high tonight. Maybe there's some resistance there and we go down a little bit. Some traders, they're talking about this cup here and the handle, the possible handle, or was this the handle, or is it handle incoming and then we'll go up, or we're going up directly. I don't know. No one knows. Sometimes I like this TA stuff and speculate a little bit, sometimes not. But overall it looks very nice. I thought without this Oracle purchase, this expected, which didn't happen. I think they're purchasing right now, but they didn't announce it. I thought, yeah, maybe there's some downward pressure, but it looks very, very strong, Bitcoin. All the indicators, the RSI is close to 70 right now. The MACD is looking good. Yeah, very nice here, Bitcoin. Polkadot, yeah, 37. Takes a breather right now before a new all-time high, I guess. Yeah, let's go to our companies here. First, we have KR1, which is yeah, it's very stable. It does nothing right now. There was a great analysis on Twitter today. I will show you later from this guy from Great Britain. He's called Lomgis or something like this. He did a great analysis on KR1, and I think his target right now is something like $6 US. So this company is very undervalued, and yeah, I will wait here. This is my DeFi altcoin play. I have not the time to select all these different altcoins and check the projects. KR1 has proven that they select always the right projects, or most of the time. So that's why I like this company. The balance sheet looks very good. Yeah, and they have a lot of staking profits, like 20 million a year right now, only with Polkadot and Kusama and on Cosmos. So yeah, I trust. I like KR1, and yeah, maybe I will buy more of this. I don't know. Yeah, then we have Hive Blockchain, Hashrate Bitfarms. They are doing really nothing today or in the last 3 days. People are getting frustrated. People are getting disappointed. But I can tell you it was the same here in January in the correction here, for example, for Hashrate. And then there was the explosion, like 200% or so. Let's go in here. And yeah, I had the same discussions back then. People were asking, what's going on with these Canadian miners, Riot and Mara, they're doing a lot better, Nasdaq and so on. Yeah, and then we had 200% here in Hashrate. Or yeah, let's go to DMG. We can go to DMG here, for example. That's what I'm buying right now. Yeah, from the last thing when it took off, it was 250%. So it's always later here, and then it goes sideways, and then all of the sudden it makes this one, 255%. So yeah, the only thing you have to do is be a little bit patient. You can see this MACD here on the daily. It's lagging to Bitcoin. Bitcoin already crossed positive here, and yeah, these are lagging here. And we had this in January too. For me, this is no problem because yeah, I feel very good with my investments, and I think this here is incoming again here, because the fundamentals have improved big time for DMG blockchain, for example, or for HUD, or all these other stocks, Argo blockchain especially. Yeah, this chart looks really good for me. We're forming this huge bull flag here. Yeah, let's do a little bit chart analysis. I'm not an expert in this, but sometimes we paint a little bit. Yeah, with the breakout here, we should go to $6.50 or so. So yeah, I think this is very possible, but first we need a Bitcoin, a new all-time high. We need crazy FOMO again, and then all our stocks move. But right now the Nasdaq effect is very strong. We have Riot here with 12%, Mara with 8%. So yeah, it seems like in these corrections they are always faster. So we had this in January, we have this now. In January I had them not on my balance sheet, now I have them. A small position, but it's doing good, very good right now. And yes, then we have, then I bought, I bought more DMG today, which is now, I think, 7% of my portfolio or so, because they raised a lot of money. And yeah, I think they will announce something. And then we have Digihost here. I bought here today, a position in Digihost, I think 2% of my portfolio, so not so small. Yes, but you can see the same here. I like to buy low and sell high, or I try to sell high. This is very difficult, but buying low is no problem for me. And for me, that looks like a low buy here, because they have some big news here today, which I talk a little bit later. Yeah, then we have Canaan again. This is going parabolic here, this thing. It's on Nasdaq. It's a hardware manufacturer. So I regretted that I missed this one. I was deciding between Canaan and eBong. I bought eBong, and then I sold it because I felt not comfortable with it. I did not a good due diligence on this company. Yeah, but Canaan seems like the right company here right now. They're selling a lot of miners and they're starting self-mining, I guess. Yeah, I hope they come down again a little bit, but I'm not so sure about it. But yeah, maybe my miners will outperform them soon, and then I will buy some. We will see, but not now. Yeah, then we have a company like iMining Blockchain Cryptocurrency, which has a crazy pump today, like 250%. So this is a very, very small cap stock. On Yahoo Finance, it says like 20 million or so. But I think maybe this is from yesterday or so you have to be careful. Please do your own due diligence here. And yeah, a lot of people ask me what's going on with this company. So I've never heard about this. I will make an analysis about this company. The ticker is IMAN. I cannot say anything about this. I think they're really at the start. So they say here we will purchase the S19 Pro. So they don't have the S19. They will purchase. They haven't even purchased. So yeah, I'm always careful with these things. So I have to first analyze this stuff. But yeah, it would have been good for a day trade, for the day traders, for example. I think they made a lot of money today. They have an acquisition here with CanETH. It seems something has to do with staking here. CanETH staking services. Yeah, but I really have to do first due diligence to tell you more about this. But this was a crazy increase today. In crypto, these things happen. And sometimes you're lucky, you're in this, and then this happens. I think for Digihost, the last time it was for me, it was like a crazy move. But I sold a little bit too early. I think, I was here, I was buying here, then I sold here. Yeah, and then this happens. So that's why I'm buying here again. I think this will happen to Digihost again. Yeah, the Digihost announces filing of a 120 million preliminary base shelf prospectus. So they do the same like Hashrate and Hive Blockchain. They within a 25-month period, so they will dilute a little bit in the upcoming weeks and months and years, so within the next 25 months. So I think that's why the stock is dropping today, because people are expecting dilution. So what is the CEO saying here? Michael Amar, the company's CEO, stated, "We are extremely excited to have taken this very positive step forward in the evolution of our growing company. Having ready and quicker access to the capital markets and being able to expeditiously react to favorable conditions, Digihost will be able to execute more actively its plan for rapid expansion in the blockchain sector and in its Bitcoin mining operations, while continuing to create sustainable shareholder value." So yeah, no surprise here, they want to expand. I mean, some of my Patreons, they had a call with him. He always said he was a little bit, he was very enthusiastic and he wants to have a lot of petahash. So we will see whether he gets this, but I mean 125 million, this is a lot of money and it's US dollars here. So wow, I think Digihost could become a big player in this game if they can use this money good. Yeah, we will see. So I'm buying Digihost. We will see what they're doing right now. I think Digihost can surprise us here a little bit. Okay, let's move on. Then we have a nice website here, the hashrateindex.com. I often use bit info charts, but here's another interesting website with some nice data here. For example, they show us here the miners here, the Antminer S17 Plus, what are the daily rewards right now with the mining profitability right now. So you can see, for example, the Antminer S19 Pro, which has Argo Blockchain a lot, or Riot Blockchain, or Mara, I guess, is making $41.8 right now per day. So they are very efficient. But we can see also the S9 here, the S9 SE, which was there in 2017 in the last bull market, where they had crazy rewards there with this miner. You can still use this miner if it still works. It makes like $5 to $6 daily rewards. So if you don't pay too much electricity, yeah, that's very, very nice. I think the Antminer T17 Plus here, this is one of the older miners from Argo Blockchain, for example. Yeah, if it works, it makes like $22 in rewards. So it's revenue, I guess. Yeah. Also, we have some farms here. So if you have like 10 megawatts of miners there, you can rent some space here. You can see the prices here. For example, at Core Scientific, they say here they have 150 megawatts remaining, 5.5 cents to 6.5 cents here per kilowatt hour, I guess. Yeah, in Colorado, Washington, Compute North here in Kearney, in Kentucky, USA, we have 35 megawatts. So that's very nice. Let's move on here. Yeah, I have a Glassnode account right now, not the Pro, but right now the Premium or something like this. But yeah, I'm thinking about buying the Pro. We will see. I'm talking about this with my Patreons more. Yeah, but here we can see the addresses right now. And we can see in 2017, we are now at the same level here as 2017 and the addresses here of Bitcoin. So we can see we're very early in this bull run, because in 2013 and the bull run before the 2017 bull run, we were here with the addresses. And yeah, I think 10x is always a good number from one bull run to the next one. So yeah, you can see here something like 10x from 130,000 to 1.3 million here. So maybe we can go to 13 million in this bull run. You never know, maybe a bit lower. But yeah, you can see we're very early here. Also, we have the miners position index here on Crypto Quant. We can see here, this is the Bitcoin price. And yeah, this chart here, the red number, it shows us that the miners are not selling right now. The chart here is going down. So the position, the selling of the miners decreases. So we're close to zero right now. In January, they sold a lot. This was this F2 pulse thing. But right now, no selling at all. The miners are hodling like our miners. They're all hodling right now. Let's move on. Yeah, mining profitability, Bitcoin 35 cents per day per terahash. Ethereum close to 10 cents per day per megahash. So Ethereum is right now, yeah, it's a little bit cooling down right now in terms of fees. But this is often before the next big move in the fees. Yeah, then we have the difficulty. It's the estimated difficulty within 8 days is the adjustment. It's 0.9% to 1.4%. So we're still very low here, which is so good. And that's why I'm close to 100% in miners right now, and KO1, which is my altcoin play, because the mining conditions are so good right now. Because the difficulty is not increasing right now. I think this will change in April or so with the Chinese wet season, but right now it's so profitable, and we're in a bull run. The difficulty should rise like crazy, like every 2 weeks, like 5 to 10% or so, but it's not happening right now. This is very good. This is really one of the most important numbers here, the mining profitability and the difficulty change when you invest in miners. And if we have like every 2 weeks a 10% increase here, yeah, you should think about swapping some miner stocks into some other stocks or other crypto stocks. But right now they're very profitable. Yeah, then we have our friend Mateus here, this lucky guy. He's now full-time in YouTube and crypto and all these things. And yeah, he made a video with Peter Wall. I'm very jealous here. So I think I will start to do some stuff in the summer when I'm going full-time, but I still have to work 3 months or so. I still have to finish my work at the company. And yeah, I'm very excited to watch this. So watch this video. I really like Peter Wall. I really like Mateus here. I think this is a cool video. I will watch it later. Yeah, but these two guys are really doing a great job for overall for the mining space, for crypto in general. Yeah, that's really cool to have these guys here. Yes, and we have this. I think I tweeted this about the KR1 analysis. I mean, KR1. Yeah, first of all, look at this video. Whale are patient here from Luca Oliviero here. Look at this whale here. He's waiting for all the fish, and then he closes his mouth. Yeah, and then he swallowed all the fish here. So whale scooping a Bitcoin from all the weekends last week. So this is a very nice video. Plan B says there's good Bitcoin returns. We know this. And yeah, let's go to this analysis here. This guy did really a great job here. Where is it? I can't find it. Here is it. So he did a lot of work, and yeah, I had no time to do this because I saw that I have no chance to do this with my limited time right now. So I was waiting for something like this. I mean, Waxboy did a great analysis, but this one here is very good, very transparent. I like this style here, and I like the colors here because it fits to KR1. So yeah, he does a really great job here. So yeah, KR1 has right now 130 million shares outstanding, current stock price 165 pence, market cap 217 million pounds here, but in US dollars it's like 300 million. The current NAV is 220 million US dollars. So the MCAP per NAV ratio is very low here with 1.37, which is very nice. And he says the staking rewards are close to 20 million US dollars right now. We can see it here from Polkadot, Cosmos, Kusama, and Lido. We can see here these staking rewards here close to 20 million right now. This changes every day. And here we can see the main assets on the balance sheet here, which is like 200 million right now. And yeah, he says, okay, a PE ratio of 30 would be fair. And yeah, he says that the staking revenue here multiplied with a PE ratio of 30 would be give you a market cap of 600 million, which should double the stock price right now. And if you take the NAV in plus the staking rewards, you should have like 800 million market cap right now. So yeah, I think that's the range where we should be right now. At $4 to $6 US dollars or $5 to $6 US dollars, but we're at $2 US dollars or something like this. So this thing is crazy undervalued. I love these stocks and I have the patience to wait there. I mean, maybe it takes a few weeks or so, but the market understands. The market, they go always to the hype stocks. I don't do this. I wait for them to come here, but because he has a huge value there, and this guy did really a great job. So read this. He has a good, huge thread here, and he explained everything there very nice. So I think that was a lot of work. Very good. Okay, guys. So yeah, Bitcoin 57,500. So can we see an all-time high new one? I hope so. If there's not F2 pool or so, which starts the crazy selling again, yeah, I think we can see it. Very nice. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.